Hi guys, I'm MKT and this is my channel. Today we're gonna play some rank like last time we played Fortnite. And today I have my friend that was last time also here. It's...
Hello guys.
And Wally Hunter is...
Hello boys.
And Pretty Heron is... Yeah. We will start in the round, then we will see again. So in 3-2 round, Scheiße!
I'll have to ask.
Okay guys, we're gonna land in Retail Row.
No shit, Sherlock Holmes.
There's a guy! On me. Dead.
I finish.
Okay, nice. Can I have the Chuck in me?
Can I have to Jackson?
Jigga Jackson.
Jiggy Jagga Boom Boom. Jiggy Jagga Boom Boom.
Jackson.
Bro, stop it. Fuck you.
Let's go to Salty Springs, guys.
There's an enemy. There's an enemy.
He's pretty low, guys.
Okay. I'm here. I'm spraying. He's nearly dead.
Dog,
Nice.
dead.
Revive me, guys.
Yes.
No!
I will revive you instantly. My guy.
My homie, bro.
Big balls.
I'm
Before?
slow.
I have 2 rifts.
Oh, they're also fighting. They aren't the team.
Push.
I'm pushing.
I have 2 rifts for the SO Notfall, yeah.
Ah,
Yes.
on me, I'm dead.
Sorry, Didi.
Everyone has a golden splash.
I'll have to ask.
Not pushing it. Hi guys, in the first round. For sure this is in the third round. For sure. We'll see in Salty Springs, as always.
Yeah.
I have one. I'm coming. No stealing. We said no stealing. We said no stealing.
Here. He's low.
Does someone need a mini?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Yes. Oh my god.
Oh. I'm dead. I'm never going pushing alone.
I'm here, guys. Oh, I'm dead too.
That one? What?
Ah!
What the?
I love you, Mr. Beast. You're my favorite gamer and YouTuber. So, streamer and
Not
YouTuber.
one, but there is another one. Right here. He wants to fucking kill me.
Hi guys, I'm gonna look if camping is the right tactic for ranked in Fortnite. I hope yes, because then it's easy to get Unreal, but no, it could be a little harder, if you can understand what I mean. So guys, we're in the round and we're gonna land in, I don't know, yeah, I would say in the Haunted Hills. I don't know camping so much because I'm not a camper, you can understand.
Yeah.
Guys, I think I have found a better tactic. And we're gonna just be in the flying machine. I don't know how to say this. Hope we get good luck in it. When not, I will get minus. But the rank in Fortnite isn't so important, right? Right?
Yeah.
We'll start the flying thing. And we're gonna get some loot in Junk Junction or in Haunted Hills. I think I'm gonna go first to Junk Junction. We'll fly over the map and we'll see what will come out. Hopefully the fuel doesn't end. Okay guys, I found a good thing where we can camp. I'd camp around here. Because we can do just like this. And then we are safe. Guys, there's a new zone. It's not as good as I was thinking it will be, but you have to deal with it. Here should be a good spot to hide, right? The next zone isn't as good as I was hoping. I don't think I'm in the zone. Go camp in here. I think I should go. Uh-oh. Yeah.